it is very disturbing because it has disrupted a whole school, a school with children. They had to leave school. I was informed that they had to leave to come and see what had happened instead of them studying. I have discussed with community leaders that we need to take action. And even if it means having vigilante people to watch over transformers, we will do that, because a transformer serves us.
Electricity went off at around 2 a.m. They thought it was a normal occurrence, as you know, sometimes this electricity keeps on, and especially because now it's a rainy season, so they understood it in that, only to find it this morning that the transformer was nowhere